this video, I'll tell you the 3 reasons why you should ditch your monthly AI subscriptions and start using PewDiePie's Odysseus AI, the free self-hosted workspace. Does it have a potential to quietly compete with ChatGPT and Claude? We'll see. Quick intro before we dive in. I'm Jamie and I'm a final year student on my master's at SUTD, the world's first university of AI and design. I spend basically all my time digging into emerging tools and figuring out which ones actually matter, so when the biggest YouTuber on the planet drops his own AI platform, I have to check on it. So let's get into it. Odysseus is a free, open source AI workspace built around privacy, self-hosting, and user control of data. Instead of every message you type getting shipped off to a company's servers, the platform runs on your own hardware. And here's the thing. As a designer who thinks about this constantly, the reasoning behind it really hits. PewDiePie's whole argument is that the more you share of yourself with AI, the better it gets. But the more you're handing over a huge piece of yourself to these giant tech companies, every personal detail, every late night question, every document you upload when you use big cloud tools, all of this info you pour into ChatGPT and Claude goes right to these tech companies. Odysseus flips that. If you connect a model running on your own machine, the conversation never leaves your computer. No telemetry, no trafficking, no data being traded around behind your back. For anyone who's even a little uneasy about how much these platforms know about them, that's genuinely a big deal. Second reason is the sheer scope of what this thing does. Most of us are juggling a messy stack of tools right now. One app for chat, another for research, something else for notes, a separate thing for email. Odysseus pulls all of that into one window, one GUI. Under the hood, it combines AI chat, agents, research tools, memory, email management, task automation, document editing, calendars, and local models, serving into one unified interface. People are describing it as self-hosted version of ChatGPT, Claude, Notion AI, and an AI agent platform rolled into a single application. And the agent side is legitimately useful. It can handle tasks like finding the files, converting formats, transcribing videos, editing files, running code, and browsing the web with less repeated prompting. So this isn't a toy, it's a positioned and an actual productivity environment where you can stay in full control of the whole stack. The third reason is honestly the most refreshing one. It's actually the price. Most people are paying around $20 a month for tools they don't even fully own. Odysseus is completely free. Ships under the MIT license too, and you can fully clone it, modify it, and run on your own version however you like. It also supports flexibility on the model side, so you're not totally locked in. The platform runs models locally on your own hardware via runners like Ollama, though it also supports external APIs if you prefer. So you can run a lightweight local model on a laptop or plug in a bigger commercial API, all from the same place. And here's the part I find most interesting as a designer. It's built to evolve with you. Odysseus uses persistent memory to improve the use, but keeps that context under the user's control, instead of giving it to an external AI company. PewDiePie even described the agent as self-evolving, so it might start a little dumb at first, but it will get better the longer you use it. You get the personalization upside of a cloud AI without quietly handling away a profile of yourself in exchange. Now, before you go and install this thing tonight, I want to be real with you because it's not all sunshine. There are 2 cons you need to hear first. First con is the hardware, and this is a big deal. To run a local LLM well, you need to genuinely have a powerful machine, and also to scale with it. The whole privacy pitch depends on hosting the model yourself, and that means the quality of your output is tied directly to your GPU and CPU. If you want better compute and better responses, you need a better graphics card and a better processor to host that model locally. On a modest laptop, you're either running a tiny, weaker model or you're crawling. So the free part comes with an asterisk. The real cost can show up in the hardware you need to make it actually shine. The second con is the integration side, and this is where things get messy. MCP integrations, connections, and API calling have been a real pain point, and there's been noticeable backlash across the Reddit and GitHub communities about how rough this was at public release. For a project that launched with this much hype, a lot of people felt the connection and integration layer wasn't ready for a general audience. And getting things wired up smoothly has been more frustrating than the demos make it look. It's early days and open source moves fast, but go in knowing the setup experience can fight you, especially if you're not technical. So those are the 3 reasons. You own your data, it replaces half your app stack, and it's completely free and yours forever. If you care about privacy or you're just tired of renting your tools, Odysseus is absolutely worth a look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.